Hello friends, welcome to this channel. To create a simple Google form, log into your Gmail account. To create the form, you click on the 9 dot icons, so you will get all the Google products. So here you click on forms. So here you can see the form is opened. Now here click on untitled forms. So here you put the title, you write the title. So say for example I put admission form. This is just a simple form, okay, simple Google form. So for admission form, say for example your name, candidate will write their name. Then to add more sections or questions or text, you click on plus icon, and so here you write a roll number. So whenever you add more sections, just click on the plus icon, okay. So here I will put the admission number, and that's all. The form is ready. Now in order to fill up the form, you click on this link, and I'll show you how to create the link. And now you fill up the form. Say your name, you write the candidate's name, then roll number and admission number. You can make these particulars make it mandatory also, but I'm not going to do that. Then submit, fill up the form, then submit. Now to extract the responses, you click on dots icon, and from here you can download the Excel sheets. So I'm going to download the Excel sheet and going to save in the desktop, okay. So here you can see the file is downloaded, and if you open the Excel sheet, you can see the Excel sheet, and here two responses are there, because I had responded twice. So you can see the responses.